welcome to Abstract Channel. Today I shall be taking you through this powerful tool, Microsoft BI. Now let's see the objectives. The objectives of this training will follow through my training on this channel. You are going to learn the basics of Power BI. You are going to learn how to connect to data sources, create effective data visualization, perform data analysis and modeling, design reports and dashboards, get hands-on experience with Power BI, and learn tips and best practices. These are the objectives I have set down for those that are interested in learning Power BI, and you follow this channel, that's Abstract, like, subscribe, and comment. You're going to achieve all these objectives. Now, going straight to Power BI so that we can clear the first objective, which is understanding basic of Power BI. Getting the basics of Power BI, we need to understand the Power BI itself. Power BI desktop is actually, this is a desktop, it's a free source from Microsoft package. So we have the Microsoft Excel, the maker of Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, and the likes. They've actually come up with this wonderful tool which help data analysts and those are interested in data. Or probably your company, your enterprise, you work with data. You will need this wonderful tool. And having this tool on your system without knowing how to use it is a waste. So if you follow this my channel and you follow my videos, you're going to understand how to use Power BI. When you open Power BI, this is what it's going to show. It's going to show you this template. You can read through this if you have time. So we have this. If you have something to work with, I've worked with a whole lot of documents there. That's why I have all this here. Then if you have not done anything, you're going to see a blank space here. So you can close here. Then we have this font here. We have this upper part called the ribbon. We have the home. We have the file at first. We all know how file works in our Microsoft packages. We have this file. We have the home. We have the insert. We have the modeling. We have the view. We have the optimize, and we have the help. Looking at the home part, we have a whole lot of stuff here. You can this if you drop this down. This will actually give you a whole lot of data source that you can connect to your Power BI, or you can import to your Power BI, then use the Power BI tool to visualize, to analyze, to make inference on this data. Then the commonly used ones are put here for your go-to. We have the Excel, we have the OneLake data, we have the SQL server. You can even enter your data here. You have the data vars, and you have your recent sources. If you are used to a particular some sources, they are going to be stored there. Then you have this transform data where you can clean your data and you can remove all anomalies in your data. We're going to see how it works. We have all this plain here. Then the insert part, we have where you can insert shapes, you can insert visuals, you can insert a whole lot of things here. Then we have the modeling. When you start working with your data, you're going to see how to model. We have the view, how you want your reports to look. You can do a lot of stuff here as well. Then optimize. Then we have the help side here. Now going back to the home. When you look at this left hand side, there are three planes there. We have this report view. This is the report view which actually shows this particular dashboard here. So we have our reports here. Then we have this table view, which is where you're going to see your data when you have imported the data here. This is where the data is going to be viewed. If you want to view your data, you want to see the anomalies, you want to see the organization of your data, this is where to come. Then you come to model view, where if you have your data probably in different tables, you can have probably in Excel, you have sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, you have your table linked together. This, when you import it to Power BI, is going to link them for you, and you can also link them yourself. And when you link them, they are going to connect to each other, and you can make easy use of them. Now, we're done with this. So now coming back to the interface, to the dashboard here, we have this here, we have the Excel, import from Excel. These are also ways of getting your data. Either from here, you're going to get your data, or from your file, you get your data input into Power BI dashboard. Now going to the right hand side, we have this data. This is where when you input your data, this is where your data is going to be solved, is going to be saved. You're going to see in different formats. When you have done your transform data, it was formatted one or two things, and you're going to see all your data there. Then we have this visualization part where you can visualize your data. We have a whole lot of tools here. We have the bar chart, we have the pie chart, we have the donut chart, we have this wonderful one which is the tree map, we have the line chart where you can visualize, you can see the trend of your data. We have the map where you can actually do map and see the real map on your data. We have the gauge here, we have the card, we have the light slicer, we have a whole lot of tools. We have the KPI here, which is the key performance indicator. We have a whole lot of things that is good for business and for analysts. You need to this tool is a very great tool. Then we have this here which you can use to format. You can format a whole lot of things. Come to page information, Canva setting, Canva background. Let's go to wallpaper and see it's currently set on white. So here we can actually change this to this blue, and you see our dashboard has actually changed to blue. So let's go back to our white and see. We're back to our white, and here we are. So we can do a lot of formatting here, and then these filters where when you enter your data is going to come in, you're going to filter, you remove this, you put this here. And when we start working with data, you're going to enjoy this, you're going to see how it works, and I promise you it's going to be a long and smooth ride though. Then when we come down here, we have this desktop layout view, then we have the mobile layout. You are sending your report on the phone or on a mobile device. You can see how your data are going to look like on phone, and just arrange it properly here. So using our desktop layout view, so we see how it looks like. Then we have page here, we have the page one here. You can have several pages here, page two, page three, depending on how you want it. And you can also delete page by removing this. So we're back here. This is what we know as the preview of the front page of Power BI. So I believe you have learned something and you have not wasted your data and time. So we have a lot to cover. Just like I told you earlier that we have these basic objectives to cover in Power BI. So stay tuned to this channel, like, subscribe, and comment. We are going to we have a lot of things to learn on this powerful tool called Power BI. I'm sure to those of you that are aspiring to be a data analyst, or you are a data analyst, you want to add to your tools, which is Power BI is a very good tool for you, which maximize a lot of information from your data, and also give you a very good visibility, which it's a go-to app for every data analyst. So thank you very much. Please like and subscribe to this channel. You can also comment your views and whatever it is you want us to do for you. We're going to make sure we do that. Thank you very much. Subscribe to our Abstract channel. Thank you.